what's on there? We got Trane XE1000S, American Standard, and GOODMAN, and RHEM's up there. Looks like, I think that is a, oh, that is a Trane. Looks like a Trane. Let's see. Can't hardly see the compressor. I think it's under there. I think it is a scroll. Wait. This is a climate tough reset. This, the data's a bit faded. I see the side of the data. Is it good? Yeah. It's an extended. You can already get the data. It's from 2025. That is a 2.5 ton. And this one is a 2005, 2.5 ton. And here's this good one. I think it's got a scroll. Get the data. I think it's from 2009. That is a 3 ton? Yeah, I think it's a 3 ton. Yeah, it's got a couple of scroll. Here's this Trane. Another one. Yeah, this one got climate tough reset. And here's these 2 rings. These are probably compressors. And this is another one. This one got a scroll, I think. Yeah, this one got a scroll. Actually, it's a climate tough reset. So yeah, it's a XE1000S. Here's his AMERISTAR. It's brand new. Coming from. I'm running. It's cold, sweaty. What the fuck was that? Where's it? Let's get the data real quick. I'm not gonna get the data. Well, I'll get one of these data. 2025. 4 ton. This one's the same thing. And the last one is down here. So I'm gonna take a picture of those. That'd be it, folks. Over and out.